Welcome to another IVS Computer Technology tutorial. My name is Julie and I'm the Education Consultant that's going to walk you through the steps for today. Our topic is how to create a summative assessment. The first step in creating a summative assessment to use with your Smart Response clickers is to open a new notebook file, select Response from the menu up above, and then select Insert Title Page. A window is going to appear requesting information, so type in all of the assessment information that you can, and then select Add. Once you've selected Add, your title page will be inserted into your file. Your next step is to then start inserting questions. So you're again going to go up to that Smart Response menu option, and you're going to select Insert Question this time. The question wizard is going to start, and it's going to ask you what type of question you'd like to ask. Select that type of question that you want and then select Next. After that, you're going to type in your question and then click on Next again. The next step is to set your answer, assign any point values that you'd like to change, and add any tags if you'd like. After that, you're going to select Add Another so that you can add another question. Your next question can be the same type of question or a different type of question, and you're going to repeat these steps 3 through 6, until all questions have been made. Finally, when you're done, instead of selecting Add Another at the end of that process, select Finish to complete your assessment. Your last step is to go to your Smart Response tab along the side of your desktop, and then you're going to click on Next Steps and select End Assessment here so that the software knows this is where you want to stop your assessment. Let's go ahead and give this a try in real time. Here's my empty notebook file. I'm going to go up to Response, select Insert Title Page, and now I'm going to type in all of the information that I can. So this title is going to be Nouns Review. You can change the type of assessment. I'm going to leave mine as a quiz. My subject is Language Arts, and again, my topic is math. I'm going to select Add, and you'll see that a page is added to my file. So here is my title page. It has the name that I've typed in, as well as additional information. You can double-click over these words and edit any of this information. So if you need to change any of the information or add anything, just double-click on these words. My next step is to go up to Response once again and to Insert Question this time. Okay, here's the first task for my question wizard. What type of question would I like to insert? I'm going to start with true, false. So I'm going to click on that and then select Next. And I'm going to type my question. I'm going to select Next. I'm going to set my answer, so here I can click what type of answer I'd like my students to use. If I want, I can change the point value, and I can add any notes that I'd like to appear if I print off the results of this assessment. So here I'm going to go to Insert Another because I'm going to add another question. This time I'm going to select multiple choice. Next. And I'm going to type my question. I'm going to select my number of choices. So this one looks a little bit different because it's multiple choice. And you can see that if you go to how many choices, you can go up to 10. So I left mine at 4. I typed in all of my options. And after I select Next, now I have to set my answer. So here are those options that I typed. I'm going to set my answer. Again, I can change the point value. And for time's sake, I'm going to go ahead and select finish. I'm going to pretend like I've added a few more questions to my assessment. You would continue to select insert if you had, say 10 or more questions. I'm going to go ahead and select finish so you can see what happens. All right, if I go to my page sorter, you can see that I have my title page, my first question, and my second question. Now what I'm going to do is select on my Smart Response tab here, and I'm going to make sure I end the assessment right here. So I'm going to click Next Step. What would I like to do? And it will ask you End Nouns Review here. It will have the title of your assessment right here in this bracket. So I'm going to select that. And so now my software knows that's where I'm ending my assessment. And if I wanted, I could add content or perhaps another quiz or another assessment that I want to give on a different day right here. So I could have more than one assessment in the file. Okay. Well, thank you for joining us for another IVS tutorial. We hope to see you again. Thank you.